Welcome to FPRMFI channel. Watch and listen to life stories of FPRMFI scholars. Let's hear it from alumnus Rainer Raimundo.
Good day, everyone. My journey began at Florentino Pascual Ruiz Memorial Foundation Incorporated when I graduated as the class salutatorian of Dipintin High School in 2004. The foundation's dedication to education and community service ignited a passion within me that continues to drive my path. Inspired by the values instilled during my formative years, I pursued a Bachelor of Arts degree, major in English at Quirino Polytechnic College. The foundation's support and encouragement were instrumental in my success, leading me to pass the licensure examination for teachers in 2011. Today, I am honored to serve as the administrator of Florentino Pascual Ruiz Memorial Foundation Incorporated, where I strive to uphold the same principles that guided me. My commitment to service extends beyond the foundation, as I am also enlisted in the Philippine Army in 2RCDG 1602nd Ready Reserve Infantry Brigade, or RRI PDE, ready to serve and protect our community and nation. I am profoundly grateful for the opportunities and guidance I received from Florentino Pascual Ruiz Memorial Foundation Incorporated. It is a privilege to give back to the institution that shaped my future and to contribute to its ongoing mission of empowering individuals and strengthening our community. And so, I stand as a testament to transformative power of this foundation, a beacon of hope and opportunity for generations to come. This is Rainer J. Raimundo, an alumnus of Florentino Pascual Ruiz Memorial Foundation Incorporated. God bless us all.
Thank you for watching.